Hey everyone, it's Brandon from FlowPath. Wanted to make a quick video here about our new checklist templates. So on a work order, you can add checklists to do different items to complete on that work order. Well, you can also now add them to a PM. So say you're making multiple PMs for different pieces of similar equipment. You can now reuse checklist templates. So let me explain. So when you hop over to the PM schedule tab under assets, you can click this little icon in the top right corner, which will open up the checklist template creator. So you can create a new one, or you can select one you currently have. So I'm just going to select one I have, and you can delete this template here, or you can create items. So this could really be anything. I just named them step 1, 2, 3, or 4, and you can also move them up and down. Just in case you'd like to have them in a certain order. If there's a piece of equipment that you need to troubleshoot in a certain order, here's things that you can put in a checklist to do. So let's go see where we can add these. So if I open up a PM, I can now scroll down in the middle and see that there's a whole section for the checklist. So you can see I've actually selected the checklist template example, and the 5 steps that I had on that template have populated here at the bottom. If I have to add any other custom checklist to this one particular PM rule, I can go ahead and add those here as well. All of these fields will be in order and on the work order that it generates. You can take this same template and add it to another PM now. So let's go and see a different one here. Change the air filter, and here's the checklist again, the same 5, but it's a different PM. So you can reuse the same checklist over and over again on different PMs to help generate those work orders. Have a good one.